January 1945. A freezing harbor on the Baltic Sea. And the deadliest disaster in the history of the sea is about to begin. What you're about to see is a reconstruction, based on real history. The last hours of a ship carrying thousands fleeing a war. Thousands are here. Mostly women, children, and the old. All desperate to escape what's coming behind them. The ship was built for 2,000 people. Tonight, more than 10,000 crowd aboard. Every corridor, every cabin, every inch is full. There is nowhere left to sit. Families cling together on the freezing deck. And somewhere in this crowd, thousands of children. For the first time in weeks, they let themselves believe they'll live. Exhausted, they close their eyes. The worst they think is behind them. But outside, it's 20 below. The sea is black and freezing. And the ship is running with its lights on. A mistake that will cost everything. Because out there in the dark, something is watching. A submarine. On the bridge, they have no idea. They think the danger is behind them, on land. At 9 that night, 3 torpedoes strike. The lights go out. 10,000 people, in the dark, in the cold, all trying to reach the deck at once. The sea pours in below. There is no time, and there are not enough boats, not even close. On deck, chaos. The lifeboats are frozen solid. Most will never even launch. Mothers hand their children into the few boats that move. Many will be separated forever. The water is so cold it kills in minutes. Out here, the sea itself becomes the enemy. By dawn, the survivors drift among the ice. Of more than 10,000, barely 1,000 are still alive. More than 9,000 people were lost that night. Most of them children. It's the worst loss of life at sea in all of history, 6 times the Titanic. And almost no one has ever heard of it. They were so close to safety. Every world feels safe right up until the night the sea takes it.